Have you ever actually stopped to think about that splash of milk you pour into your morning coffee? I mean, how exactly did it get to your fridge? Well, today, we're unpacking a massive economic shift that is literally happening right in our grocery aisles. We're looking at the tale of two completely different worlds, the organized and the unorganized dairy sectors. And honestly, this isn't just about milk. It's about a fundamental transformation in how millions of us consume our everyday products.
Okay, let's dive into this. Historically, a huge chunk of the world, including massive markets like India, bought their milk entirely from the unorganized sector. You know the drill, relying on informal, local sellers. We're talking unlabeled buckets, milk straight from the farm, but with absolutely zero safety guarantees. Now contrast that with the organized sector. These are your proper, branded companies providing quality-checked, sealed packaging, and super strict hygiene protocols. It's just a completely different way of doing business.
So to break it down really simply, the organized dairy sector manages every single step of the supply chain. They aren't just, selling you a drink. They are collecting raw milk from thousands of individual farmers, rapidly cooling it, meticulously processing it, maybe turning some of it into cheese or yogurt, and then delivering it all in that branded packaging we instantly recognize. It's this incredibly complex operation built from the ground up around strict quality assurance.
Now, what's really interesting about this is why? Why are consumers suddenly abandoning the informal sellers that their families have literally used for generations? Well, as disposable incomes rise, we're seeing this massive surge in demand for food safety and consistent quality. People want traceability, right? We want to know exactly where our food comes from. But actually, the absolute biggest catalyst driving this whole shift is rapid urbanization.
Urbanization acts as an absolute accelerator here. Just think about it for a second. As millions of people move out of rural areas into dense cities, they naturally lose that direct access to local farmers. I mean, you can't exactly keep a neighborhood cow in the lobby of a high-rise apartment building. So this geographic shift heavily favors branded, packaged dairy simply because urban consumers desperately need the safety assurances that only those organized players can provide.
Because of all these factors crashing together, this organized sector share gain dynamic is a genuine multi-year structural tailwind. And I want to emphasize this point. This is not some short-term trend. It's not a fluke from a single financial quarter. No, this is a fundamental, multi-decade growth driver that is reshaping the entire industry from the ground up, totally regardless of temporary economic cycles or shifting commodity prices.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly who is capitalizing on the trend. Take a look at key players like Doodhwala Dairy, for example, a huge leader in South India. These guys aren't just running factories, they are operating massive procurement networks. By managing supply chains across multiple states and engaging directly with literally millions of individual dairy farmers, they are actively capturing market share right out from under the informal local networks. Their sheer scale, and things like their physical chilling center networks, serve as just a massive competitive moat.
So the crucial point is that this shift in consumer behavior translates directly to bottom-line financial growth. Think about it like this. Every single time a consumer chooses a branded packet of milk or, a premium tub of yogurt over an informal supplier, they are fueling the market share capture of the organized sector. It creates this highly visible, incredibly trackable path for long-term expansion.
Which really brings us to our final question today, and honestly, something for you to think about the next time you open your fridge. Is the informal milkman disappearing for good? Because as our cities keep growing and our demand for safety and convenience just absolutely skyrockets, that balance of power is decisively shifting. The organized dairy sector isn't just selling us milk anymore. They're selling us trust. They're selling us convenience, and really, a taste of a rapidly modernizing economy. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.